All right, let me put y'all to work. We've got our first caller lined up. We've got Leroy that's holding for us from Macon. Hi, Leroy.
Hey, Leroy.
Hello. Hello. Thank you for taking my call. Briefly, I had an automobile accident. Local trucking company hit me while I was parked, but they hit and ran. But they were caught later on, and my case has been pending for about 3 years. I've given all of my losses in a deposition. I guess that's what you would call it, over the phone with them, but it's still pending. How long can a case hold before it can come to court or anything? Because it's getting really long.
I think the main part is whoever represents you has, filed the lawsuit prior to the statute of limitations, and then, these these cases, I've seen them last 7 years or longer. But I've just talked to your lawyer and see if you can go ahead and get on a trial calendar.
Yeah.
And because of COVID, these trial calendars have kind of gotten extensive. So I think, talk to your lawyer about it. And
Yeah, you got 2 years to file a lawsuit,
That's
and generally, and that's what Alan's talking about, statute of limitations. Once that's done, your case can remain pending for quite a while. I mean, actually, if nothing happens in 5 years, it can be dismissed, but usually that's a rare thing to happen. But yeah, like Alan said, call your lawyer and say what's going on. He'll have an answer for you. There'll be a calendar issue, like Alan mentioned, because of how backed up the courts are, or some other issue. That there may be other things they're trying to work out in terms of negotiation you may not be aware of. So yeah, just call your lawyer. He works for you, remember that, and sit down with him or her and say, what's taking so long? And they should be able to answer that.
I hope that was some helpful information for you, Leroy.